Hey guys, JR Fisher here. I want to make this quick video. I've talked to a lot of people who want to get in on, selling stuff online, but they don't have a lot of money to get started. And they asked me, can you really make any money if you don't have a whole lot of money to get started? And yes, you can. You could make $10,000 a month without inventory. And I want to tell you how to do that real quick in this short video. The first thing you want to do is you want to find a company that does what we call print on demand. And I'm going to give you one in just a second. But let me tell you the steps that you're going to need to do. The first one is sell a unique product. Okay? Now, how are you going to find a unique product? Well, there's lots of super hot niches out there, and what you want to do is combine one niche with the other one. So let's say you want to sell t-shirts, okay? Not a bad thing to do. A lot of people sell t-shirts. Combine two niches. So a niche would be a coffee lover, okay? People who love coffee, that's a cool niche. And maybe rescue dogs. So you may be able to do something along the lines of, I take my rescue dog for a walk, but not before my coffee, or something along those lines. And if you want to, and that's the first step, okay? And if you want to create these t-shirts and you don't have that design ability, like I don't have a lot of design ability, I can't do that stuff. I downloaded an app called Typorama, and I'm going to put that in the description. It's a free app. And it's got artwork in there, and you can change the words, and it gives you like 6 or 7 different designs with really cool fonts. And then you just send that to your computer and you can upload it and put it on shirts, which is pretty easy. Now, the way these print-on-demand companies work is that you're going to give them the design, and you're going to tell them what you want it on, and I'll get into that in just a second. And they're going to just integrate with your store, so that you can offer all these different designs, all these different sizes, all these different things, and they will not make it until you sell one, which is pretty cool. And then once you sell one, what they'll do is they'll go ahead and print it up, and they will ship it out to your customer, and you don't have to do anything, which is a pretty cool deal, okay? And I'm going to give you links to those things in the bottom here. Now, you say to yourself, okay, JR, I got the first step. I know I want to pick these niches and I want to have these cool things, but how do I know if it's going to sell? I got no ideas, okay? I need some inspiration. Here's what you do next. Number 2, go to Etsy, E-T-S-Y. If you go to Etsy and you sort t-shirts or mugs or whatever by the number of sales, you can get some really good ideas in there and look at those ideas and come up with one of your own. Now, you don't want to copy it exactly. They won't let you do that. But if you just copy the idea behind it, maybe the style or some of the wording, and then change some of the wording, you can have a winning design pretty quick by doing that. Number 3, what you want to do is you want to add these products to your Shopify store. You're going to need to integrate it because you got to send these people somewhere to buy this product. The integration is really super easy. Printify, will give you instructions on how to do that, and so will Shopify. But you're going to have a Shopify store. You could run something like this through ClickFunnels or Kartra, something like that, which I really love Kartra. I should have put a link in there for that. But those are really, really good places to do it too. So that's number 3. And number 4 is going to be, expand a little bit. Since you don't have to pay for any of this inventory, and you don't have to buy t-shirts in advance and all the different sizes and women's and men's and all that, why not put it on hats? Why not put it on mugs? Why not put it on pillows and shower curtains? And you say, well, I don't know if that'll sell, JR. I just don't know. It doesn't cost you anything to find out. If you hook up with Printify in your Shopify store, you can offer all of these things to your customers and not have to invest a dime, and you'll figure out what sells, which is a pretty cool thing. And then the 5th step is you're going to want to run small targeted ads on Facebook. You can also use YouTube for this. We're starting to get into more YouTube ads. And what you want to do is, I would want to do an audience, like if I was doing the coffee and the rescue dog thing, I would want to target a group of people who are involved in rescue and people who like coffee. And if you put those two together and you put that t-shirt in front of them, guess what? You're probably going to have some sales. So it's really not that hard to do. I also do extra training every week. If you want to attend that, I'm putting a link in the comment section there in the description. And you can click on that link. You can go and sign up. It does fill up fast. And this Friday, I am going to be talking about selling through drop shipping, through print on demand, which is what I just described in this video here. So you'll want to check that out. Click on that link, and you can go and sign up for that. So that's what I got for you today. I hope it helps you out. It's really not that hard to do, guys. If you don't like the job, you don't like what you're doing, you're not happy, Try these things. Don't sit back and go, I wonder if that would work. They do work. Okay, and you're going to have some failures, but you'll have some successes. And as you have more and more of these successes, guys, you can make a lot of money. All right, give it a try. Try print on demand. Crazy not to try it. It's easy. Do it. Do it. Okay, you've got all the steps. You got the 5 steps. Also, if you want to sell physical products, and let's say you want to do something through AliExpress, something along those lines, grab my book. I also put that in the description. It's 4 steps on how to find a popular product to sell online. Simple and easy, 40 pages. You could read it in the afternoon, be in business tomorrow morning. It's that easy. Okay, guys, thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you real soon. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.